Unit 71. Countable nouns with a, and some. A. Countable nouns can be singular or plural. A dog, a child, the evening, this party, an umbrella, dogs, some children, the evening, these parties, two umbrellas. Before singular countable nouns, you can use a, an. Why, have a nice evening. Do you need an umbrella? You cannot use singular countable nouns alone without a, be, my. She never wears a hat, not she never wears hat. Be careful of the dog, not be careful of dog. What a beautiful day, I have got a headache. We use a and to say what kind of thing something is or what kind of person somebody is. That's a nice table. In the plural, we use the noun alone, not some. Those are nice chairs, not some nice chairs. Compare singular and plural. A dog is an animal. Dogs are animals. I'm an optimist. We are optimists. Tom's father is a doctor. Most of my friends are students. Are you a good driver? Are they good students? Jane is a really nice person. Jane's parents are really nice people. What a lovely dress. What awful shoes. We say that somebody has a long nose, a nice face, blue eyes, small hands. Jack has a long nose, not a long nose. Jack has blue eyes, not the blue eyes. Remember to use a and when you say what somebody's job is. Sandra is a nurse, not Sandra is nurse. Would you like to be an English teacher? See, you can use some with plural countable nouns. We use some in two ways. Some a number of, a few of, a pair of. I have seen some good movies recently. Not I have seen good movies. Some friends of mine are coming to stay at the weekend. I need some new sunglasses, a new pair of sunglasses. Do not use some when you are talking about things in general. 75. I love bananas, not some bananas. My aunt is a writer. She writes books, not some books. Some, but not all. Some children learn very quickly, but not all children. Tomorrow there will be rain in some places, but most of the country will be dry. Unit 71. Exercises 71.1. What are these things? Use the dictionary if necessary. An ant. It is an insect. 2. Ants and bees. They are insects. A cauliflower. Chess. A pigeon, an eagle, and a crow. skyscraper, Earth, Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, a tulip, the Nile, the Rhine, and the Mekong. A violin, a trumpet, and a flute, Marilyn Monroe, Michael Jackson, John Lennon, Van Gogh, Raymond, Picasso. 71.2 Read about what these people do and say what their jobs are. Choose from chef, interpreter, journalist, nurse, plumber, surgeon, tour guide, waiter. Sarah looks after patients in hospitals. She's a nurse. Gary works in a restaurant. He brings food to the table. Jane writes articles for a newspaper. Kevin works in a hospital. He operates on all the people. Jonathan cooks in a restaurant. Dave installs and repairs water pipes. Martina takes visitors around her city and tells them about it. Lisa translates what people are saying from one language into another, and so that they can understand each other. 71.3 Putting an are somewhere necessary. If no word is necessary, leave the space empty. I have seen some good films recently. What's wrong with you? Have you got a headache? I know a lot of people, most of them are students. When I was a child, I used to be very shy. Would you like to be actor? Question. You are always asking questions. What beautiful garden, birds, for example, the penguin cannot fly. Do you like staying in hotels? I have been walking for 3 hours. I have got sore feet. I don't feel very well this morning. I got sore throat. Maria speaks English, but not very much. It is a shame we don't have camera. I would like to take a picture of that house. Those are nice shoes. Where did you get them? I'm going shopping. I want to buy new shoes. You need visa to visit countries, but not all of them. Jane is teacher. Her parents were teachers too. I don't believe him. He is a liar. He is always telling lies.